I'm Sarah Claire Edwards. I'm a jewellery valuer, a gemologist and a diamond grader. Gemstones and diamonds are my passion. I then went on and specialised looking at pink diamonds. Obviously it's exciting because they come from Australia. The Argyle mine is based about 3,000 kilometres northeast of Perth. It's in the East Kimberley area, which is on the border of the Northern Territory. Argyle mine was found in 1979 by a geologist, and they started production mining in 1983. So Argyle mine produces over 90% of the world pink diamond production. Now, to give you an idea how rare this is, Argyle mine produces 11% of the world recovery of rough carats of diamonds. Out of that 11%, only 0.02% is a pink diamond. In 1990, Argyle mine was producing 40 million carats of rough every year, whereas now they're producing 14 million carats. So Argyle mine is expected to close in 2020 or 2021. And then that is going to make a huge impact on the pink diamonds out there in the world. Pink diamonds are graded as fancy faint, fancy light pink, fancy intense pink, fancy vivid pink. Also, Argyle has terms for pink diamonds, starting from a 9P, which is a straight pink colour of the palest, through to a 1P, which is a straight pink in a more intense colour. The other grade we have purple pink, so it starts at 9 being the lightest, and then the saturation increases till you get to the 1pp. So this is the most expensive colour you can get before you go to a red diamond. There's also PR, which is a pink rose colour, and that again goes from your 9P through to your 1PR. Then we also look at carat. So carat is a weight, a unit of measurement that's used for diamonds, and 5 carats equals 1 gram. So if we look here, this stone here is 0.52, which is just about half a carat. So this is about 0.1 of a gram. We also have the cut. So the cut refers to how well the stone is cut. Diamonds have a very high refractive index. So when the light enters into the diamond, we look at how it enters in and how it reflects and refracts back, how that diamond actually performs. A round brilliant cut has perfect angles to return the light back to your eye, whereas with the fancy cut shapes, we don't have so many perfect angles for cut, but what we have is lots of different other fancy shapes rather than just round. Like this, we have here a square emerald cut. Now, emerald cuts also come in a rectangle. We have radiant cuts that look quite similar, have oval shapes, pear shapes, marquee shapes, to mention a few. So the next of the C's is the clarity. So when we look at a diamond, we have stones coming from internally flawless or flawless, and then we go down to VVS 1, 2, VS 1, 2, and then this refers to the inclusions, blemishes or characteristics within the diamond. So this can deduct from the beauty of the stone. When we're looking at pink diamonds, what happens is because of that colour from the pink, it tends to mask those inclusions within the stone. So it doesn't make such a big impact on the stone as it does when you're looking at white diamonds. So really people, when they're looking at pink diamonds, they're looking at the saturation, they're looking at that depth of colour inside the stone, more so than those marks. So when I've been looking at and valuing pink diamonds over the years, what I've seen is a steady increase in the stones that are more saturated in colour. Stones that are closer to red. So we've got the 1pp through to here, this is a 4pp. These would be the variety, even down to maybe a 5, seem to be increasing the most in value. And the stones that are the most expensive is that purplish pink rather than the straight pink. More so the pink over the PR, the pink rose.